SpaceX is about to go public, and it could be the biggest IPO in the history of the stock market. Here are the numbers. SpaceX is targeting a $1.77 trillion valuation. They're planning to sell 555 million shares at $135 each, raising up to $75 billion. For context, the current record holder is Saudi Aramco, which raised $26 billion back in 2019. SpaceX is going to more than double that. The company plans to list on the Nasdaq under the ticker SPCX as early as June 12. Now here's where it gets wild. Forbes currently values Elon Musk's net worth at $826 billion. His SpaceX stake alone is worth around $542 billion. At a $1.77 trillion valuation, Musk's holdings jumped by over $200 billion, officially making him the world's first trillionaire. But hold on, before you rush to buy the dip on day one, there's something you need to know. SpaceX lost $2.6 billion from operations last year on $18.7 billion in revenue. This is not a profitable company. The bull case? SpaceX's filing says it sees up to $26.5 trillion in potential AI revenue from space-based data centers, Starlink, and its AI arm, which recently acquired the coding tool Cursor for $60 billion. Anthropic is also paying SpaceX $1.25 billion a month for compute power. That's $15 billion a year from one contract. One more thing, Musk will control 82% of the voting power through a dual-class share structure. So if you buy SPCX, you're along for the ride, but Elon is driving. And SpaceX isn't alone. Anthropic just filed its own IPO paperwork, and OpenAI is expected to follow. We are entering the biggest AI IPO wave in market history. Would you buy SpaceX on IPO day? Drop it in the comments. If you want the full breakdown, including whether SPCX is actually worth it at this valuation, check out our long-form video linked above. Like, subscribe, and don't miss the next one. This is Capital Clarion, and the market never sleeps.